And so it is a beautiful day. Not really, but it's beautiful to me because I'm having a lovely day. I hope you guys are having a lovely day too. So today is the day that I am trying to pull the motor out. I'm trying to get it out today. I'm going to get it out today. That is the plan. How long it takes is another story, but the plan is to get it out. So I'm gonna go pick up some tools for this. I'm gonna go pick up an engine hoist and stuff like that, and probably get a crowbar just, you know, to help me out. But engine hoist is definitely coming today, and I also wanna just empty out the fluids and stuff, pull the motor. I don't think there's much left to do with that, besides, you know, separating it from the transmission and taking off the alternator and compressor and stuff like that, which I'm thinking I can just put to the side. The master cylinder, slave, whichever one it is for the clutch, I'm sure I can put that to the side as well. So I'm thinking it could come out today, and hopefully it can come out today, because once it comes out, the rebuild begins. All right. So I'm thinking we about to head out. Adam is outside. He's gonna help me go get the stuff. And I mean, shout outs to the bro Adam. He's been the greatest help so far, man, and been having fun. But that's what I'm about to do today. So y'all can catch me when I'm outside in the car, and we can go about it. Let's go. Bam. Hey, so we actually sneaking up on the bro. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, I'm like, we over here sneaking up on the bro. I'm like, wait, where'd he go? Oh, he got no trunk space. We about to figure this out. Look at this. Hey, beggars can't be choosers, and right now I'm begging. Wow, what's going on though?
I just want to make sure this is on properly.
I ain't hear you.
Just want to make sure this is on properly.
Cool.
You know, some niggas be starting to sabotage, so you can't trust nobody with your car.
Huh. I'm done.
That's not a thing.
That was all shades. That was all shade. Like nightshade. Speaking of nightshade, got a little project I'm gonna do with nightshade, man. You're right. It ain't gonna be that big. But I'm just doing some stupid. So yeah, so we about to head out. I mean, it's about to be a lovely day. A lovely day, bros. Yup, so we in the car, in the cut.
Yup.
So we actually gonna go head out to pick up engine hoist. I'm gonna check out Harbor Freight first, and then I know other couple places, and yeah, we're gonna see from there. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys along. You guys can come with us and actually see Adam drive his car for the first time.
Super slow.
Super slow. So let's go. We're gonna be out here. Hey, the bro is about to be whipping it. You see the hand, see? So you know people drive too long. Every person that drives too long does this one pose at the red light. You know very much well. That's the exact pose every guy that does the drive too long do. Sound like a challenge.
It's an FA.
Okay, sound like a challenge. Yo, so we just came from Harbor Freight. We out here. Picked up some parts though. And by parts I mean tools. Well yeah. Got me a little engine mount, engine hoist. I ain't got no engine mount, we're gonna put that on a tire. But picked up everything else that I needed, so we are good to go, fellas. So we're gonna catch you guys when we get to the house. And we gotta put that shit apart. Put that shit together, man. That's the one thing I'm really dreading right now. I am dreading to put that together, cause it's gonna take some time. And I don't got that much time today. But hey, if it's a video about putting together engine hoist, I got you. So we gonna finish up, and I'm gonna show you when we get home. All right, cool. We out. Alright, bro, so we back at the house. He look full. I'm putting this on there. He look full.
Super full.
But yeah, we gotta put together engine hoist. Apparently, I should have saw that coming. I really should have saw that coming. But pause. But it is what it is. We're gonna put that together. I'm running out of daytime, but it is what it is. We'll see what we can get out. I'm hoping that I can have time to pull the motor today. Worst case scenario, I'll just pull it another day. But at least I have everything ready. So we out here. When we actually start, I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys can see. Right now, just kind of taking a 10-minute mental break. Let's call it that, a 10-minute mental break, right?
Yeah.
So, gonna holler at you guys when we get back. All right, so we are back. Got the stuff out the car. Huh?
Bang, bang.
I'm done. So we gotta put together this engine hoist because it came separated. I'll show you guys right now. So we got one half in here, one half in here. So we gonna get to work. You guys gonna see us work. That was bad lighting. We gonna get to work. You guys gonna see us work. And we'll walk you through it as we go along. Missed the baby already. Okay. What can you do about it, bros? Besides fix it. So let's get it moving, bro.
Open it up?
Yeah, we got it. So, gonna work on the engine hoist. I'm gonna put the camera down because it's gonna take some time. So, figure try and get this done as quick as possible so we can stop the car. Cool. Alright, bros, come on. We finally put this together, man. This took way too long. And I mean way too long. And we got a whole bunch of mess to clean up before we start working, but it's together. Can't be mad at it. Just waiting. Can't wait to be able to use it. So yeah, the bro Adam is about to head out though. So it'll be me for myself and I'm just going to try and disconnect the transmission and empty out as much fluids as possible. So you guys can come along, but say bye to the bro.
Later.
Yeah, you said later. That's it, bro?
Yep, that's all they get.
That's all they get. But yeah, I'm gonna continue working until maybe another hour or so. So I'll be out here. You guys don't get to see what I do. But for the most part, it's just emptying the fluids. Emptying the fluids, cleaning up a little bit. And I'm removing the transmission from the motor and stuff like that. I just wanna start separating some stuff. Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, bros, got my little headlight on and stuff like that, but it's just me right now. Adam dipped, we assembled the engine hoist. It's a little bit bright. Hopefully that'll figure out, but it's time to get to work. It's time to get to work. So I'm start taking some of these stuff off. I'm gonna start emptying the coolant and stuff like that so I can bring you guys over here. So just for those that don't know and actually want to do this, in order to empty out your coolant, there's a actual, I guess you could say like a little nozzle. That's right there. That's the nozzle right there that you can literally turn and let the coolant out. So I'm assuming it's gonna miss where I want it to go, but hey, what's the worst that could happen? Alright, just gotta let that go. But alright, I think that should be good. Damn, bro, so it's taking way too long to drain all the coolant. I'm pretty sure because the way the car is angled and stuff, it'll probably take a little bit more time. Probably should have did it when the car was on the floor, but hindsight is 20/20. So I wanted to show you guys really fast how to take off your serpentine belt. It's really simple. So I'm assuming for all FAs, I got a 14mm socket. And I don't know if I can do this with one hand. But basically, you put the socket here, and you put it
to loosen. Oops, wrong way. My bad. Put it that way, and then you should be able to move the tensioner down. So once you do that, the belt should come loose. You can do it with one hand. Do I got the skills? No, this is like an accident waiting to happen. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, so you go just like that. You go just like that. And get this up off there. Okay, come on. Either way, you get that off there, and the belt should come off. But the best thing that you need to remember when you're doing this is remember the pattern in which, you know, the belt lines up. This way you're not having a hard time putting it back on. Yeah, so I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna take some stuff off over here. Cool.
So this belt doesn't look too bad, but since I'm taking it off, I'm thinking of just replacing it anyways. The teeth at least look still fine, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but whew. But since the belt looks pretty, it's all right. I'm gonna keep it as like a spare, but I'm gonna still replace it though. Whew. So next I'm gonna take off the alternator and then the compressor. Got the alternator off and got the compressor off. So I'm looking at it and I am not 100% of a fan of connecting them right here because there's nothing here. Maybe this bolt may work, but who knows how that might hold up. So I'm not really sure, you guys. I'd rather catch maybe this bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but there's a bolt right there. I'd rather catch that. Yeah, you guys can't really see it. But yeah, so maybe I can hit that one and maybe another one up top here. Maybe I would go for this one in the back here. Or maybe I'll grab one of these in the front right here. I kind of mess with this one better than this. Maybe it might work. We'll see. Yeah, who knows. But so far, yeah, got those stuff out. The cooling finally stopped, so I'm about to go underneath here, take out some of the stuff for the transmission and drain the oil. All right, cool. All right, bros. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update as to what I've been doing so far. Let me give y'all a little walkthrough, right? So, when it comes down to behind by the computer, I unplugged the computer so far. I got the little block of plate that's sat right here off. Got these off. The alternator was here. Compressor's off. I'm about to get the starter off in the back. And then I'm gonna start unloosening the bolts for the overpipe and for the transmission. Once I get those two things off, I was thinking could probably just empty the oil when the motor's out. But yeah, so that's my plan. I think I'm gonna empty the oil when the motor's out.
Also, just a little trick, I've been using this little tire arm here as leverage, or I would use, damn, it's bright out there, or I would use this as leverage. The stick you use to pump the jack on the engine hoist up. But yeah, this is what I got so far though. I'm thinking that I don't have much left besides figuring out where I'm gonna put this, the hoist points, I guess, the points for where I'm gonna lift the engine up. That's been the hard part right now. That's literally been, not really the hard part, but more of a question that I have. But I haven't really been focused on it yet, kind of just pulling things off as we're going on. But yeah, I'm thinking that I'm not sure if this needs to get disconnected. This is looking like it though. But I disconnected these wires here, so I'm gonna see. Maybe I can pull this wire harness off of here. I think it's connected to this plate. So once I take this plate off, let me show you guys. Once I take that plate off, I think this wire harness should come off as well. And then I had to take off, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the slave right there. I had to take that off. Once I get that off, we good to go. Yeah. So not too bad, not too bad. Not that much of a tall order. It's me by myself, so I'm pulling things off as I go along, but it hasn't been that long. I think the longest thing that it took for me to do today is setting up the engine hoist. But I'll get back to you guys in a few just to give y'all a quick update right now, because I'm working, trying to get this done as quick as possible because I have other stuff coming along. So yeah, we out here. Alright, so we are back, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update of what I'm doing. So far I've just been taking off the coolant lines. So I took off this coolant line already, I'm taking off this one down here. When I get underneath the car, and there's a few of them in the back that lead to the heater core. I took the one off already for the master cylinder, for the brakes. But yeah, I'm just scanning around. There's some wires here and there. I have to take off some of the brake lines, so that'll be fun. I know there's like a special tool to get to those, so I'm wondering if I can probably bypass that, but I don't know. We'll see as I go along. Maybe I can catch them at the bottom there instead of this up here. Only time will tell. I also have to keep track of where everything is, so I'm going to use this video to do that. So you know, this went there, those go there, and then there's 3 of these. So now these 3, this line leads to the middle, this one stays on the outer end, this one stays, oh, so it's not bad, they're all lined up. Yeah, that's as far as I got so far. I haven't pulled the oil out yet. I'm thinking once the engine is out the car, I can just take the oil out. So I'm gonna try and start finishing up that and then separating the transmission from the motor. I think once that's done, I'll get a jack up underneath there, and I would remove the engine mount bolts so I can start getting the motor out. But I want to just make sure I have points in places where I can actually hook the engine hoist to. Yeah, still out here, it's bright. These lines right here are giving me a little bit of hell to get off. Not too bad. I'm just trying to be as careful as possible, to be honest, because I don't want to have to replace any of these. So I'm kind of taking my time off. I took the block plate off that was here. That plate that they use to, I guess, cover the stuff up. This is the injectors, the fuel rail right here, and the injectors. So I'm trying to pull this off here and then this one off here, so I don't have to get that special tool to take this off. I guess you guys can comment below if I had to do this another way, how would I get these off? I'm pretty sure though by the time this video is done, those will be off, so not too bad, not too worried. I took off the heater core hose, which started pouring out coolant, obviously. So I'm a little bit screwed at the bottom. I didn't see it coming. Should have saw it coming, but I didn't. I also took off the other heater. I also took off the other hose at the bottom of the radiator. So that one is good too. I'm thinking once I get these lines off, I may have like motor harnesses, like engine harnesses to pull off and engine wires to pull off, but for the most part, I'm thinking the motor can come out within like the next half an hour or so. I'll keep you posted because, you know, stuff happens, but yeah, I'm thinking the motor can come off very soon. I'm excited. I mean, I'm finally getting to work on it. So, and here's the engine hoist, y'all, that we picked up today. So we all out here ready to go. Hopefully I can pull this motor by the end of the night, and that'll be it. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. But you know, things happen. Taking a little bat break, mainly because I gotta go sneeze and use the bathroom. But yeah, been working. It's just been me. So I'm sorry that I cannot or have not been able to like hold anything up or like show you guys exactly what's going on. But I'm gonna try and show you the bolts that come off from underneath. Also, as I'm talking, I might as well, it's dark, golly. But hopefully you guys can see this. So when you're taking off the hose, like a coolant hose or any kind, right? The best thing to do to get them off is to get something over it or twist it first. And you want to twist it and break that initial seal. Once you break that initial seal, it should come off. So I was twisting these for the same, I guess the same technique, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just making sure that I don't punch a hole through it with the pliers, because you know, don't want to mess that up. But yeah. So like I said, I'm sorry if I'm sorry that I don't have nobody to really hold the camera for me or anything like that. It's just me out here. But it's the best way to do it. Quiet, I got some music. I wish I could play it while I'm talking, but hey, it is what it is. But got some music going. Got the car sitting right there behind me. I'm excited. So I'm gonna go use the bathroom and stuff, get myself situated, and I'm gonna holler at you guys once I get underneath the car. Cool. All right. So we're still working, but now I'm going underneath the car. It got a little bit dark, but I had to make a little quick stop real fast. So I mean, it is what it is. But gonna take out some of the bolts from underneath the car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually pull the motor tonight. However, I'm thinking it should come out very soon. But my bros, Dr. Darius is on the job, bro. Got the crooked glasses and all. Gotta look crazy when you out here, bros. Dr. Darius is in business. So at least nothing gonna drop in my eye today, big fellas. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit underneath and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Cool? So, as I take this old man bend and I work my way underneath, what I'm working on right now, I don't know if you can see, but it's the bolts around the transmission, and then I have one coolant line up there. I know it's not the best lighting because I'm underneath the car, but that's that, and I just need to take off the over pipe that's over there. So once I get those things off, I'm gonna start separating the transmission from the motor, and I'm gonna probably put a jack here just to, you know, hold the transmission up. So that is the plan. You know, I would love to bring you guys along and show you, but damn, it's just me, bros. Besides, don't want nothing to kind of fall on the camera, but you guys get a big drift. I can't wait to pull this motor out. I am excited. I'm thinking I'm just going to knock out that task that I just mentioned to you guys, and then I'll probably end the video upstairs. So I don't know, I'll show you guys probably what I'm doing, but if not, thank you for watching, because this is going to be something that is awesome. Literally my first motor pull. I mean, it's not the first time I took apart a motor, but at least a head. I mean, I took off heads before, giggity. But it's the first time I'm actually gonna pull a motor, so I'm excited. Nothing to it but to do it, and if I can do it, so can you. So that's how I feel. But we're gonna get it back to work. I'm not a mechanic in no way, shape, or form, so please do not say, hey, Darius taught me how to do this. Cool? Cool. So I'm just gonna let you guys know that right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get that stuff done, and I'm just gonna focus on what it is that I gotta do. And I'm gonna come back to you guys. All right, bro, so the rain happened. Can't do nothing much about it, but gonna call it a day. It's raining, I'm packing up my tools. It was a long little day, bros. It was a little bit of everything, but I'm getting through it.
I think I got everything off. I got the coolant lines off. Just trying to think really fast. Coolant lines off, the gas lines off. Everything is emptied out the car besides the oil. I got the starter off, alternator off, those stuff where I can mount, I guess, mounting points for the hoist. So everything is about to be Gucci, man. Everything is about to be Gucci, except for the fact that it started raining. I mean, it is what it is. I have a few stuff left. I'm thinking just to separate the transmission, pull the engine mount bolts, and separate the exhaust from the engine as well. And I think that's it. Once that is said and done, I mean, we should be Gucci and good to go. Definitely gonna pull the motor soon. I mean, that's coming on the next video. So if you wanna see me pull the motor, definitely like and subscribe. If you wanna comment, please comment, because I read comments. I read all comments, and I would like to hear what you guys have to say and what you wanna talk about. Talk about everything. Talk about the things that I've done wrong. Help me get this car back on the road, because I am excited to show you guys what it can do. I'm excited to show you what it is. So, with that being said, stay up and make success contagious, because that's all we can do. Work hard, play hard, and be better. I'm gonna have a good night. I'm expecting you guys to do the same, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bam.